Welcome to Atrashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. In this tutorial, we are going to learn a method to get the area of a parallelogram. You would have come across many shapes, polygons. What are polygons? A closed plane shape made up of 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. These are some examples. Now, what about this shape? This is parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Other properties we will learn later. Do you think this is a rectangle? Let us check. This is parallelogram and this is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram. But here, if you check the sides of these two shapes, you can see these two sides are vertical while these are slanting. Here, our aim is to find the area of the parallelogram. If it is a rectangle, it is easy to find the area because if L is the length and B is the breadth, the area of the rectangle is L into B. But what about the area of the parallelogram? How will you find? In such situations, you just think, is it possible to convert this shape into any other familiar shape so that we can find the area easily? But you should keep in mind, the area of both the shapes should be the same. Now, let us try to do it. This is the parallelogram. Here, I am going to draw a perpendicular line from this vertex to the opposite side. Here, this side is the base denoted by B and this perpendicular line, that is the height of the parallelogram, denoted by H. Here, you can see a triangular part. Now, what I am going to do is, I am going to move this triangular part from this side to other side like this. What is the shape now we got? It is a rectangle. Let us compare both the shapes, then it will be very clear to you. Here we have moved this triangular part to this side and this is the shape thus we got. That is, we have converted this parallelogram to a rectangle of same area. That means area of this parallelogram is same as area of this rectangle. Now what about the area of a rectangle? If L is the length and B is the breadth, then area of the rectangle is L into B. We know B is the base and H is the height of this parallelogram. If we compare the length of the rectangle with the base of the parallelogram, you can see both are same. Now take a look on breadth and height. They are also same. So instead of L into B, we can write here B into H, where B is the base and H is the height of this parallelogram. That is, formula for finding the area of a parallelogram is B into H. Hope it is clear to you. See you in another video.